After months of being Vela, the way students begin to start studying at a feverish pace right before the exams, that's exactly what seems to be happening with the writers of Quantico. So much has been packed in, and to tell you all about it, I'll be reviewing Quantico episode 19 called Fast. The episode has been named appropriately. Jaldi jaldi hame itna kuch bataya. This is the time we finally get to see Shelby, and we're as shocked as Alex is. She's right inside the FBI headquarters. Also, more details emerge about the voice. Abhi tak hame lagta tha it might be a man's voice, a woman's voice. Apparently, it's all the Nat's voice mixed together, sent in through a server in the FBI headquarters. Ab maza aane wala hai. Though we still can't trust Shelby because we don't know if she is the terrorist or merely working for one. Caleb is confusing. Will is scary. The flashbacks reveal to us Drew's trembling hand, his equation with Alex, and Nima and Rena with their handler. Nahi, mujhe plot mat batao. If you're one of those, then I suggest don't watch the video beyond this point because I'll be revealing spoilers. This Caleb fellow is getting very strange. Now we're told he's on Alex's side. In fact, Shelby is also on Alex's side. तो फिर फोन पे किससे बात कर रहा था? That first phone call he did, she fell for it. वो किसको था? जल्दी बताओ. Our beloved Priyanka Chopra seems to have taken along our very own garam masala and a little bit of amchur to spice things up in Quantico. A dying Will telling Alex and Shelby that he has made a nuclear bomb which the terrorist now has. Shelby speaking to Alex in Morse code. Drama quotient na is a little too high and sometimes too difficult to digest. Thank God for the fact that Quantico is finally giving us answers. If you are a loyal fan, then you definitely shouldn't miss this episode. But if you're one of those जिसने बीच में छोड़ दिया था, and I don't blame you for it, इतनी वेली चीजें हो रही थी, it's time to get back to it because there's so much that's happening which you're going to definitely enjoy. मेरी तरफ से Quantico episode 19 gets a thumbs up.